Good morning, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro. This morning we will be showing you the 2018 Heartland Torque toy hauler fifth wheel. The model is a 345, which means it's 34 feet long to the base of the toy hauler, and that's what you're pulling behind you. The rest is in the back of your truck here. I'm going to go over a few features on this torque for you this morning. The one thing we'll start off with is the front cap on this torque, which is a very not unusual, but it's very distinctive where it's cut in. This is called a tight turn technology, so if you have a short box truck, you can make tighter corners with it so it won't interfere with your cab when you're turning. A couple of things that are very noticeable here. If you look up front here, this is called a level up system. Generally you find those on higher end residential style fifth wheels. What it is, it's a power hydraulic leveling system that's all power and automatic. You just push a button, it's going to level itself out, which is really nice. The one thing about Heartland and the Torques is they make a little nicer toy hauler as far as interior features, exterior features. It's a lot more comfortable and livable. Right in here you have a 7.5 gallon propane tank. You have one on each side because you're going to be out dry camping a lot of times in this Torque, out on the dunes or out camping. So you can stay out there and you don't have to run into town to get more propane. This does come with a generator, a 5.5 kW generator. So again, dry camping is not a problem. And here is your pass-through storage system right here. And right here, this is your level up system. That's what this will be right here. And see that auto leveling button right there? You just push that and your whole toy hauler will level itself. You can also do it manually if you want. And then when you're done, you have a retract button, you just push that, everything will go right back up. So they're making things easy to use on this. You have a power awning that goes all the way across the top, and it does have LED lighting in there, so a nice light on the outside. Again, this is made by Heartland. They're made in Indiana. They're a little nicer than most toy haulers. Not made strictly for toys. They're made for livability and for comfort. First thing you notice when you walk in, you got a couple of coat hooks that you can hook up your coats when you walk in right in the door. Then right here, you have all your controls, which is again right by the door. You have your vents up above and everything. You open your vents and turn your vents on and off right here. So everything's all in one. This is your slide out control mechanism right here. So what this is you have your room slide out here. You also have your other two slide out controls here because this does have 3 slide outs on it. Also your awning buttons are right here also too because it does have a power awning. Now if we look across from us here, this whole area here is a slide out, so that pushes out for your kitchen. Your kitchen area slides out. You have the big 4-door refrigerator, the upgraded stainless steel appliances, lots of counter space here, lots of storage. So you got storage in here, and as well as everything underneath this countertop is all storage. So underneath the sink and the drawers, you have full-length drawers, ball bearing roller glide doors. Again, everything is high quality, really sturdy here. If you look across from us here, that is also a slide out. So you have opposing slide outs. Both ends of the couch are recliners, and they're massage recliners. For a long day out on the dunes, you can relax. We're getting a little lavish with some of our things nowadays. Now as you walk back here, you have a big oversized TV. For those of us that like to watch TV, this is a huge TV, so you'll really enjoy that for your entertainment purposes. Now the one unique thing back here is this is a longer garage in here. So you have a longer garage, you can store more things in here. So if you have 4 quads, they would easily fit in here. Again, like most toy haulers, you have your bed up above. These are all run push button by electric. And you have your dining area, which also turns into another bed over here. So you put the 2 chairs. You have 2 couches on the side with your table that goes in the middle. You have your back patio area that goes down, so you can make that into a patio. And there's a screen door that pulls down, so you can shut that off during the day also. The other thing that's nice about this turns into a second room and a bedroom because you have your own bathroom. So again, very nice if you're bringing kids or you're bringing other couples with you. They have their own space, they have their own bathroom. Plenty of room for everyone. We're going to walk up here into the bedroom. Now, if you just look at the woodwork and the craftsmanship of this, again, this is not built strictly as a toy hauler. It's made for comfort. Now, this is also slide out on this area here. You have a nice closet area back here. And as we move into the bedroom, this is also a closet. So this whole area here is a slide out, and the idea for this slide out is to give you more room for clothes and for storage. And you have deep dresser drawers in here. So again, it's the livability factor. This isn't just made to go out in the dunes and rough it. This is to give you a little bit of comfort. Now, the one thing with the bathroom, we're going to take a look at the bathroom also. It is a pass-through bath. So you can get to your bathroom both from the hallway and from the bedroom. You have plenty of room in here to move around. You got an extra large shower in here for those that need a little bit more room in the shower. That is a bigger shower than normal. And we'll come back down through here. So again, if you just take a look around, if you see this torque, you'll know it's a little higher quality, a little higher end. It's not so much just a toy hauler, but it's for livability and for comfort, and you got the nicer features. If you start looking at things like the light fixtures up above, the woodwork overhead, it's a lot nicer quality type of toy hauler. So it's made for comfort, not just toys. So real quickly over the torque with the front cap, the longer cargo area, this has a carrying capacity of about 4,400 pounds. You have lots of room, lots of storage area here. It's made for comfort, so when you're out there and you're having a nice fine day, when you come back, you'll be very comfortable, and everyth's very easy to use with the level up system and everything else. So if you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name's Eric.Kaneshiro, Guaranty RV, 541-912-4396. Thank you.